Sumana, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I share with you how I get ready for Diwali. Today I'm doing makeup with some chat with you guys. So take some tea or coffee, be comfortable and enjoy this video. Diwali is all about the lights and I love the whole vibe. Lights are all around us and it looks like a fairy tale. In our childhood, we are excited for pataka in Diwali. But nowadays we are missed it a lot, but no complaint. It's most important to pollution free our nature because save nature, save life. Also, we can celebrate Diwali with get ready, be pretty and take some candle, diya and some sweet and just enjoy with your friends and family. Let me know how you celebrate your Diwali in the comment section. Okay, so I done my makeup. Very easy and quick glammed up look for Diwali and everyone can do it. So now go for the hair. This is my hairstyle for today. Very simple and easy and it looks very pretty. Now for the outfit, I choose to wear this long skirt and its matching top. Lastly, I add some silver jewelry to elevate the look and here is my final look. This is a quick get ready with me video. Hope you like it. If easy, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe this channel for watching all my upcoming videos. Please don't pollute our nature. It's my humble request to you all. Do enjoy, be careful and safe, and lastly, happy Diwali to you all. So bye.